Alright, so I'm back here with the turbo replacement. So this is the one I'm gonna put. Came from Max Speed Rod. Hopefully this one is good. It got the bullet wheel. When I checked it, I saw there was also a little loose, but I guess it's normal. But this one is cracked. I showed it on the previous video. Right here you can see the crack. So I guess this is no good. The issue I had with those turbo, it was smoking, too much smoking. So I decided to replace the turbo. If you guys have any idea, if I can, like, I'm trying to make it louder, like swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. I know I did the tune when you take out the blockage and you put it on the tubing. But is there any other things you could do? Like I saw some people put a filter in here, or if it's not. Also, I see the I don't remember. I guess this is the wastegate. If there's anything, I saw another guy that had like a automatic wastegate on the EcoBoost. Will it do anything special? Like, I don't know, like up the power or the noise before I install them? If you guys have any idea, gladly appreciate it if you can give me your idea, because you guys know it's a B to take it off. Might as well it's out if there's anything I can do without breaking my butt, and I do it. So that's it. But the first one is off, and I'm going for the second one now, guys. This have the bullet wheels compared to the other one. Oh, I guess this one too. I don't think it's bullet.